Hello everyone, welcome back to Side Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Amalanga, our Friday from the 21st to the 25th of July 2025 on Monday. Dulas and Kute grows frustrated at dealing with Sabelo's mess. The village shows up to look for Nosi, including Oli. Ntombi grows tired of presence or Sabelo's presence on Tuesday. Sabelo justifies his action of stealing Nosi while Ntombi way up where the Sabelo can stay. Sugar Basin starts his first day on his new job on a high. Mandlela catches Benson and Mangubane being intimate on Wednesday. As Mandlela delivers holy vengeance on Mangubane, Thembi and Gaise strike gold in studio, while Sabelo's banishment sparks a feud with Tsunami on Thursday. Nosi makes an impossible request. Gaise ushers Thembi into the land of the rich. What is a kiss between friends? On Friday, Thembi and Sugar Basins keep their distance. Sabelo put down roots in Claremont. Thembi and Gaise try to impress Tsunami. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.